Hello, John here again. Promised I'd show you how to join a cable, because this is the time of the year when, with gardening activity, hedge cutting, cables get damaged. And you can end up without television for a night or two because it's not always possible to get somebody there straight away. First of all, I'm going to remake the end again the way we did before. We just mark around there and bend it and it'll break away. Then it'll just come away. Then take all of the strands, put them together, make sure there are no loose ones, wind it up into a tail, and then remove the inner cable with the foil and a bit of plastic covering that's on the inner core. And that comes away nice and easily, and you get your reusable fitting and just screw it on to the end of there. Now screw it up there nice and tight, and as before it'll make its own thread on its way up. So get that up there nice and tight. Now cut off the excess just to tidy it up, and then you get your joining piece. Now this is simple, it's threaded on both sides and they're available in most hardware shops. So you just screw that on and get your other end, which you've already made there, and join them together. Now that will take you out of a hole. It'll give you back your TV, and usually when these days there's two cables, so you have to do the same with the other one. So then you get some insulation tape, because this is outdoors on most cases, and you just cover that. Now this is not waterproof tape, so you'll probably have to get this cable replaced, but it'll keep you out of trouble and give you back your TV for the night or for a couple of nights until you manage to get it fixed. Now take off the end, and then you end up with this. So that's your joint, quite simple, takes you out of a hole and until you can get the cable replaced. So thank you for watching. John from TV and Satellite Services.